Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you love creating videos or experimenting with AI tools, you're going to love this. Because Google just announced Veo 3.1, the next evolution of its powerful video generation model. Compared to Veo 3, this new version offers smoother motion, higher video quality, and full integration inside Flow, Google's creative editing platform. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial showing how to use text-to-video, frame-to-video, and ingredients-to-video inside Flow, and finally, my closing thoughts. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Veo 3.1 continues Google's mission to make video generation simple, cinematic, and accessible. You can create short, realistic video clips just by typing text, uploading frames, or combining visual ingredients. Everything now happens directly inside Flow, so you can generate, edit, and export videos in one place. No more switching tools. Once you're on the Flow dashboard, either create a new project or open an existing one. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the prompt box. First, enter your text prompt. We have a prepared prompt. A teenage girl pilot soars through the sky in a classic aircraft. Let's enter it into the prompt box. After entering your prompt, click the settings icon to adjust your preferences, such as aspect ratio, number of videos, and model version. For the aspect ratio, you can choose between landscape, 16:9, best for YouTube or desktop, portrait, 9:16, perfect for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. Let's select landscape for this example. Next, choose your model. There are two available options. We'll use Model 3.1 Fast for quicker generation. Once everything is set, click Execute and let Veo 3.1 work its magic. Now, let's take a look at the final result. Next, let's move on to frame to video, which allows you to animate a smooth transition from one frame to another. Upload your starting and ending frames. In Crop Your Ingredient, select Portrait or Landscape mode to frame your character. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click Crop and Save to set it as frame 1. Then repeat the same process to set frame 2. Once both frames are done, then add a description. For example, the camera smoothly transitions from frame 1 to frame 2, revealing the scene from a new angle. Set the aspect ratio to landscape, 16:9. Click Generate and let Veo 3.1 work its magic. Once it's finished, you can preview the final result and see the smooth frame-to-frame transition in action. Finally, let's move on to ingredients to video. This feature allows you to combine multiple images, like characters, locations, props, or other elements, into a single animated scene. In Flow, select Ingredients to Video in the prompt box. Upload your elements the same way as in Frame to Video. Once all the ingredients have been added, you're ready to move on. Next, write a text prompt to describe the action. You can keep it simple. For example, a girl walking in the living room. Then click Generate. Let Veo 3.1 work its magic, and once it's ready, you can preview the final animated result. Let's take a look at the second one. And that's Veo 3.1 inside Flow.
Wonderful.
Simple, powerful, and incredibly creative. Whether you're making short cinematic clips, storytelling videos, or experimental projects, Veo 3.1 gives you 3 flexible ways to bring your ideas to life. If you've been waiting for a real upgrade from Veo 3, this version feels smoother, more cohesive, and way easier to use thanks to its Flow integration. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which feature you want me to dive deeper into next: text to video, frame to video, or ingredients to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.